Internet. It's Scott with Scott's Garage, and today I'm privileged to be working on my neighbor's 2012 Mercedes Benz e350. Presenting problem was this: her battery was dead, but as she opened the hood, she could not find the battery. I told her I would help her, and it wasn't obvious right away where the battery was, but this video will show you the mystery. I've already taken out the old battery, so this will be a video showing how to put in the new battery, so just do things in reverse order. Now, that black thing next to the battery is what really hides the battery in the car. It actually is an air intake that air goes from the outside to the inside, and it literally covers the battery. There you can see how the air goes around that. Now, for this job, you will need a 14 millimeter socket as well as a 10 millimeter socket. I also have an extension on my ratchet there. Now, another thing about this is that every battery has a battery hold down, and this one does as well. So here it is right here. There are only 2 bolts that hold it. So if you can imagine on the right side there, this is where this bracket is bolted down, that hole and that hole. And I'll show you later in the video, again, how to put this in place. Now, what I've done here's the new battery, and I already positioned it how it should go in. So the left side is the ground, negative, right side is the positive. And if you look here, you can see clearly that the left side is the ground. It is grounded right to the frame there, dead giveaway. And over here, the right side is the positive. Okay, here I'm going to show you how to put that little bracket I mentioned before in place. So I position the battery so that it's stable. And here I'm putting in that bracket. It just overlaps the battery a little bit, so it holds it firmly in place. And then with that air cover, the battery will be very secure. Okay, what I'm doing here is just tightening down those 2 bolts. So hand tight, and then I use the ratchet. Okay, next we're going to put some of this. It's a grease that's made for batteries for conducting electricity, and real cheap. You can buy it at O'Reilly's. So I'm just spreading it around each battery terminal, and it prevents corrosion. So hooked up the positive side first. Snug it up, but not too much. Just make sure that it's just nice and tight. And don't over tighten though. Here's the negative side. Do the same thing there. Here's a better look at the bottom side of that plastic cover. You can see that it's got some foam on it. It just pushes down the battery, and again, the air flows in from the outside to the inside. There's a squirrel cage you can see, and that just fits over the top of the battery. Okay, I have it in place. Basically, on the bottom edge there are some plastic overhangs, and you just put them in the appropriate place on the firewall and just push down, then push in. And there are 3 snaps that you snap in place. Okay, we'll see if it starts. All right, job done. Hey, thanks for making it this far in the video. If you like the video, please hit like. It costs you nothing, but is of great value to me. Please also consider subscribing to Scott's Garage and hit the bell notification for upcoming videos. Now, I am not a professional mechanic. I'm simply a backyard mechanic, a do-it-yourselfer. I've loved working on cars since my teenage years. This literally is my garage. Would love to have you come back and watch another episode of Scott's Garage. Please also consider downloading the Brave browser. Now, I heard about Brave for months. Various YouTubers didn't check it out, but I did a couple months ago. Absolutely love it. I've been using it ever since. It's very fast, very safe, very secure, very unique. You can disable all ads if you want to, or you can get paid to watch ads using the Brave browser. Check it out. Have a great day.